Assalamualaikum students, how are you all? I hope that you all are doing great. Welcome to your channel Maths D1 to Scientific Academy. Today our lecture is related to chapter 17, which is statistical data handling. Your book is D2 Maths, new syllabus mathematics 2. I am going to explain you question number 15 of exercise 17a. Students, before starting the lecture, I will request you that if you want more help regarding your subject, then you can subscribe the channel. Okay students, the question is the speeds in kilometer per hour of 100 vehicles are recorded. Okay, here the table is given in which the speed is given and number of vehicles are given. What you need to do is in part 1 you have to calculate an estimate for the mean speed of the vehicle. So in part 1 you have to find out the mean, okay, estimate of the for the mean speed of the vehicles. And in part 2 you have to find out the ratio of the numbers of vehicles which travel at a speed of not more than 40 km per hour to the number of vehicles which travel at a speed of more than 60 km per hour. So here first draw the table which is given in your book, in which the speed is given. Okay, the speed. Okay, it's given in kilometer per hour, so you can write this is basically x. Speed is given in the form of x and it is kilometer per hour. Okay, so number of vehicles are given, students. This is the frequency. Number of vehicles is the frequency, and basically speed are the values. Okay, so you have to find out the mean. So the formula to find out the mean is x bar is equal to summation fx over summation f. So here you can see that you have to find out x so that you can multiply frequency with x. So you have to find out x, and I will tell you what is x. And then you have to find out f of x, that you have to multiply f of x. So students, remember that, okay, this x bar is the mean. This summation sign shows that this is the sum of, you have to calculate the sum of f of x, and you have to calculate the sum of frequency. Now write down the frequency, write down the values which are given, the speed which is given. Okay, speed is 30 less than x less than equal to 40. Less than equal to 40, this sign means it's equal to 40. So it's also equal to 40. So the vehicles which are, okay, there are 16 vehicles whose speed range is within 30 to 40 km per hour. So here you will write down 16 is the frequency of this range, and 40 less than x, and the vehicles whose range is between 40 to 50, they are 25 vehicles. There are 25 vehicles whose range is between this speed. Okay, then 50 to 60, then 60 to 70, and then 70 to 80. Okay, the frequency is given 16, 25, 35. 35 are the vehicles whose speed is within this range, and 14 are the vehicles whose speed is within this range, and 10 are the vehicles whose speed is within this range. Students, they have told you that the speed in kilometer per hour 100 vehicles. It means that these are the vehicles. So when you will add these vehicles, you will get these are 100. You can check with the help of calculator that when you will add them, you will get 100, because it's given in the question that there are 100 vehicles. So 16 plus 25 plus 35 plus 14 plus 10. So when you will add them, you will get 100. Okay, now we have to find out x. What is x, students? X is the mid value. X is the mid value, and mid value you can calculate the mid value by adding the numbers. Okay, by adding these two numbers and divide it by 2. So when you will add 40 plus 30, you will get 70, and when you will divide 70 with 2, you will get 35. So x is the mid value. You can get it by adding these two numbers and divide it by 2. Divided it with 2. Now add 40 and 50, you will get 90. So when you will divide 90 with 2, you will get 45. Okay, the same way 110, you will add 60 and 50, you will get 110, and when you will divide it with 2, you will get 55. In the same way you will get 65, and in the same way you will get 75. Okay, now students, we have to multiply frequency with x. We will multiply frequency with x. 16 35s are 560. Now multiply 25 and 45, you will get 1125. Now multiply 35 and 55, you will get 1925. In the same way multiply 14 with 65, you will get 910. In the same way multiply 75 with 10, you will get 750. So you have to add it, because in the formula it is sum of f of x, summation f of x. So you have to find out the total of f of x. So when you will add all these values, you will get 560 plus 1125 plus 1925 plus 910 plus 750. So when you will add these values, you will get 5270. And sum of f is given, which is 100. So you have to find out the mean. You write down x bar is equal to sum of fx is 5270. Put the values, and sum of f is 100. So when you will divide it, you will get 52. You will get it 50. Okay, when you will divide it with 100, you will get 52.7, which is the estimate for the mean. So this is your answer of first part. This was first part, and I hope that it is clear to you. Okay ji. Now let's come to second part, in which you have to find out the ratio of the number of vehicles which travel at a speed of not more than 40 km per hour to the number of vehicles which travel at a speed of more than 60 km. So now we are going to find out the values. Okay, so as we are finding out the mean, we have to finding out the mean of the speed. So as this unit of the speed is kilometer per hour, so with the answer you will write down kilometer per hour. Okay, now let's find out part B. Okay, students, in part 2 we have to find out the ratio. Now see, it's written find the ratio of the number of vehicles which travel at a speed of not more than 40 km. Not more than 40 km mean till 40. Okay, till 40. So there is only till 40, 30 to 40 is the only one range. So it means that there are 16 vehicles whose speed is not more than 40. So you will write down 60 over here. So you put the sign of ratio because we are finding out the ratio. And then they are saying that to the number of vehicles which travel at a speed of more than 60 km. So more than 60, here you can see that 60 less than x, x is 60 less than x less than equal to 70. So what does it mean? It means that the values are, okay ji, so the values are, okay, as you can see, this is x. 60 less than x means that x is greater than 70 and less than 70. Okay, the values are greater than 60 but less than 70. But here the question is, in the question they are saying that at a speed of more than 60 km. So here the speed is more than 60 now, because the values are greater than 60. Here the speed is more than 60 until 80. Total vehicle speed is still 80 now, so you can add these two values, because these two values are coming in the values where the speed is more than 60. So here you will add these two values because these two values are coming. The speed is more than 60 till 80. So these two values are coming, so you will add these two values, 14 plus 10. So what you will get? 16 ratio 24. Now you will cut them. Okay, 16 and 24, you can cut them with the table of 2. 2 8s are 16, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. Again you will cut it with the table of 2. 2 4s are 8, 2 6 are 12, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6. So here this is the ratio. 2 ratio 3, you cannot cut them further. So 2 ratio 3 is the answer. Okay, I hope that this is clear to you. Okay, do the practice of this sum and you will do the practice, and this concept will be more clear to you. Take very good care of yourself. Thank you very much and Allah Hafiz.